It's a dreamy, wished it on a genie. I got fans finally, ain't you wanting them to see me? Just say to me what you want from me.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaterra, Bria'Na. If you don't know, what are you doing? It's like, nah, if you don't know, now you know. So welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I like to style my passion twist myself. I did it myself. If you haven't seen that video, the card will be up here somewhere. Also, if you have watched my goddess locks, how to style my goddess locks, and you've already seen some of these styles or you've seen similar styles in that video, but if you haven't, that'll be up here as well. Make sure you go check that out. But yeah, you guys, regardless of if you have seen styles like this or not, and if you want to keep watching and see how I do them this time, because I may have included some new ones, then go ahead and keep watching. But before you do, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Feel up, baby, feel on me.
I be looking for you, baby. You need somebody wavy. Shorty know I got it, shorty know I'm on it. Pull up upon me when I rub up on palming. Come fuck with the top shot, money on me, no.
Alright, you guys, so a lot of y'all have been asking me in the comments to do an update on my hair. So this is how my passion twists have been looking for about 1 or 2 weeks. I actually really still love this style, so yeah, this is how I've been keeping them up. First, I like to take the Lotta Body mousse and distribute that all throughout my hair. I like to focus it on my roots because it keeps my flyaways to a minimum. It keeps my hair feeling soft and it just smooths everything out. So I really like this product. Next, I like to take this Mane and Tail Shine On spray. This stuff smells so freaking good. I spray it in my hair every single day. It keeps my hair looking nice and shiny. Like, this is one of my favorite products so far for twists or braids, anything like that. So yeah. And quick little fact about Jaterra, I have dry scalp, you guys, and I freaking hate it. So I like to use this organic Jamaican black castor oil and distribute it all throughout my scalp and massage it just to get rid of any itchiness that I may have. Also, this smells really good as well. Okay, so that really serves as my 2-week update on my passion twist. And now that I've let you guys see all of the products I use on a regular to maintain my twist, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the video, listen to some music, and watch me do these styles. They're really easy and self-explanatory. So yeah, like I said, please enjoy the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what you want me to do next in my next video, and I will see you guys later. Simon says put your hands on your knees. Simon says put your hands on your feet. Simon says bust it up like a freak.
Left, right, left, right, left.
Oh, this is my song. Hey, tell me what they did that time to Vice Code. I'll do something different, that's on my soul.
The voice of someone else, just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you act this strange. If nobody's holding you back from me, 'cause I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me, so too. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Why
Okay, you guys, well, without further ado, that wraps up this video. I really genuinely hope that you guys enjoyed it. If so, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.
Fill up, baby, fill up.